Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Khan Academy account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Khan Academy application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the Khan Academy application has been opened, in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in or sign up interface. If you already have the account, you can tap on the option sign in and log in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, you'll be able to find the sign up methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, sign up with email. So simply tap on the sign up method according to your preference. Here I'm just going to tap on the option sign up with email. If you also selected that option, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, email address and create a password for yourself. So first of all, enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Now likewise, you'll also have to enter the date of birth. First of all, select the month. Now select the year. Now after doing that, what you have to do is provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address over here. After doing that, create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must be 8 characters long and should contain a mixture of letters, numbers and other characters. Now after filling up all these fields, tap on the option create that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create Khan Academy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.